Hey car lovers, if your dashcam can't read a license plate during a hit and run, it is useless. This is why Sony's new STARVIS 2 sensor is a revolutionary advancement. In today's video, I will introduce you to the top 7 models worth your money. You can find the product links of this video in the description box with the best deals. Let's begin with Vantrue N5S, the first the Vantrue N5S, with triple STARVIS 2 sensors. It captures clear 4K plus 1080 pixel plus 2.5K footage at the same time, making it great for commuters and rideshare drivers. You can switch to front and rear mode for longer recording time. The upgraded 2.5K rear cam gives clearer video than 1080p and is waterproof. It has features like plate picks and night vision, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for video transfer, and all-the-time parking mode with motion detection. It comes with an 18-month warranty and support. The next one, Viofo A229 Pro. The A229 Pro dashcam features STARVIS 2 imagers IMX678 and IMX675, providing 4K resolution for the front and 2K for the rear camera. This ensures high-quality video, capturing details like license plates clearly at any time. Its advanced HDR technology enhances image quality by balancing highlights and shadows, making it effective for tracking fast-moving vehicles. The dashcam records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event, with 3 parking modes to save storage space. It supports hands-free operation with 12 voice commands, allowing users to take photos, lock videos, and adjust settings without taking their eyes off the road. The system also provides voice notifications for settings changes and memory card issues, helping ensure safer driving. Furthermore, the A229 Pro can automatically lock the video when the camera detects shaking or collision to prevent important videos from being overwritten during loop recording. At number 3, Rove R2 4K Dual Pro Dashcam. The Dual Pro Dashcam offers excellent video quality for both the front and rear of your car, using advanced Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. This dashcam delivers higher light sensitivity, reduced noise, and minimized motion blur. It features HDR imaging and wide-aperture lenses with a 150-degree front and a 140-degree rear angle, capturing clear details like license plates and road signs. It records in sharp 4K for the front and 2K for the rear, with impressive clarity in both daylight and nighttime. The dashcam provides peace of mind by covering both angles, making it useful for traffic situations and accidents. Night footage is clean and balanced, unlike cheaper options. The device is well-built and reliable, making it a strong choice for anyone seeking a quality dual dashcam. Coming up at number 4, Vantrue N5S. Experience complete 360 degrees protection with our advanced 4-channel dashcam 360, eliminating blind spots on the road and inside your vehicle. Featuring a powerful dual-core processor, this dashcam records in stunning. Featuring a premium IMX675 STARVIS 2 sensor with HDR processing, our 2.5K rear camera delivers 1.5x sharper footage than standard 1080 pixel systems, providing critical evidence in rear-end collision scenarios. The exclusive rear cabin camera with IMX662 sensor offers enhanced light sensitivity, capturing clear details throughout the trunk, back seat, and side windows, perfect for monitoring children, pets, and valuable cargo with our car camera 360. Number 5, Redtiger F17. Elevate your driving experience with the Redtiger 3-channel dashcam. Capture the road in stunning 4K, monitor the cabin in 2.5K, and enjoy enhanced night vision for comprehensive coverage. Stay connected with upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, and protect your vehicle with triple parking monitoring. Equipped with a super capacitor and backed by an 18-month warranty, this dashcam provides uninterrupted operation and reliable after-sales support for a worry-free journey. The package includes a free 64GB microSD card and all necessary accessories for easy installation. Number 6, Botslab 4K Dashcam. Experience unmatched detail with true 4K resolution on the front camera and crisp 2K on the rear. The dashcam front rear is powered by the IMX415 sensor, captures stunning landscapes, and enjoys superior clarity on dark roads. The car dash camera is driven by a 1.5 AI NPU chip and uses Botslab's latest AI algorithm to receive real-time alerts of pedestrian collisions, vehicle movement ahead, lane departure, and headway monitoring. In addition to ADAS alerts, it also provides driver fatigue alerts every 2 hours to ensure safe and worry-free driving. And finally, number 7, Viofo A19 Mini 2. Powered by Sony STARVIS 2 image sensor, A19 Mini 2 delivers ultra-smooth 2K recording at 60 FPS, capturing fast-moving scenes with clarity and stability. Critical details remain sharp and easy to read, while motion blur is significantly reduced for more reliable footage. Switch to 2K 30 FPS with HDR to achieve enhanced dynamic range and balanced exposure in challenging lighting conditions. That wraps up the Sony STARVIS 2 Elite. Upgrading your drive takes one click. Links are waiting for you below. Subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you on the road.